where are the green beans? Start harvesting some of these. I'm telling you guys, gardening has been really fun. Hi, I'm D Lovey Life and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my summer garden update. It's a pretty day in the neighborhood. Jay and I, we just mowed the lawn, kind of cut and trim here and there. Garden is looking good. Let's see if I have any strawberries. Nada, not yet, although I got some flowers coming in. And no beans as of yet on the green beans. They're still very mature. And here's my watermelon. Yay! And pull off some raspberries.
Pull or cut?
Pull. See if I can. Go. They look really good. First harvest. Black raspberries. Yum. Wow. Yeah, let's try it. There you go. Awesome. It's July and it's time to do a small harvest. Let's check out the green beans. Oh, look, you guys, look at my watermelons. Yay! That is so cool, and that is a beautiful looking onion. Oh my god, it smells so good. And I got some green beans here. It's like, where are the green beans? Ah. Strawberries. That one's still not ready yet. Not ready yet. Just gonna grab what I can. Here is the tomato situation. Some right here, some cherries. These are not ripe yet. The golden ones, I can probably take some off of that one. And then I have my Romas that are plenty to harvest. Same thing on this one. Look at the Juliet cherry tomatoes. Isn't she gorgeous? Let's harvest some of those. The cherry tomatoes, they're pretty large in size. Same thing with these. And then I have my beefsteak there and there, and another beefsteak that's just now growing. A zucchini down there. Squash. Another beefsteak here. And these are so good, you guys. These are the lemon cucumbers. I made some salad, which I'll insert here. Really good. These I can probably go ahead and also harvest. I have one zucchini. And I have a funny looking telephone looking cucumber, as well as another one right there. And oh, here's another one right there too. Gardening is so much fun, I'm telling you. Okay, let me start harvesting some of these. Super excited about these Romas. How beautiful. Okay, got some beautiful tomatoes. Now I'm gonna go for some of the, some there, back there, here, there, and there. Oh my goodness. So awesome. Going to harvest some of our peppers to let them go. Now I gotta remember, this was from last year and I just overwintered them, and look, we just got a lot of peppers going on here. Really good size one. We have one here that's red. We're probably gonna take that one, maybe the next one next to it.
And jalapeno.
Oh yeah. Strawberry plant that I took from cuttings, looks good. Then here, ooh, that one looks really good.
Get the red ones.
Here's some, that one's ready right there. Need to, and this one's turning a little bit on the red side too.
There's another dark one here.
We could just harvest these and see if our neighbor fam next door wants any. This one, like this one. Oh, hold on.
bunch of little red ones that I'm trying.
Yeah. Well, the more we cut, the more it'll produce. And look, my poblano peppers need to be repotted. These bell peppers are going to be next. I'm going to make some stuffed bell peppers. Ooh.
2 serrano.
Ooh, nice. 2 serrano peppers. Ready to do some green beans? You guys, look. Look at my watermelon. It's just growing. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to try to put it through the trellis there. I don't know. Jay has 1 lime. Baby lime. My onions still kind of going. Those 2 right there, just going to let them. These are too small. But now I know, my first time growing onions. Got a couple of strawberries I need to harvest as well. We have some Kentucky Wonder green beans. We have some in the back there. And then here, there. Ooh, we got some over here. Yeah, this one on the end though, I don't have anything as of right now. I'm telling you guys, gardening has been really fun. I'm gonna have Queen G harvest some of the cherry tomatoes in a little bit. We're just enjoying the garden as Mom and I are watching a movie. And Jay's just gonna grill up some steaks. And we're just gonna enjoy our fresh vegetables. And then we also have some black raspberries. There's one back there. Kind of interesting. It's like you have to really search. They can disguise themselves within the vine as well. That we've noticed, huh? Yeah. And then look, it's starting to move that way. So very interesting. And my strawberry plants are doing really well. Here's the other 2 right over there on the left. So I'll do another garden update. Just make sure you click that subscribe button.
Click on the icon there to subscribe to my channel. Also, click on the garden playlist to see more videos as this one. Or, if you like my style, please click on the playlist here for my weekly variety vlogs. Happy gardening!